Space travel, it's the final frontier, but it comes with a host of risks. From intense radiation to the effects of microgravity, the challenges are immense. So, can genetic testing and gene editing make space travel safer? Imagine this. You're an astronaut, strapped into a capsule, essentially sitting on a controlled explosion. It's daunting, right? Once you're in space, the dangers don't stop. The levels of radiation out there are much higher than on Earth. Too much exposure can increase the risk of cancer, cause neurological disorders, and even harm body tissues, leading to issues like cataracts and digestive diseases. NASA and other agencies set strict limits on radiation exposure, but is it enough? Researchers are exploring radical treatments like gene editing to offer better protection for astronauts. Bioethicists are suggesting that we could edit the genomes of astronauts before launch. This could potentially result in a new species, Homo spatialis. Sounds like science fiction, right? But the technology is advancing. SpaceX and other companies have ambitious plans for space travel, including crewed missions to Mars. But long-distance space travel can wreak havoc on human health. The psychological toll of isolation and confinement is another challenge. Research on identical twin astronauts has shown a slew of genetic changes after spending a year in space. This is where genetic testing comes in. By understanding these changes, we can develop better ways to protect astronauts. Gene editing could potentially offer a solution. It's not all science fiction. Some biotechnologies can be used to help space travelers today. The idea of editing genomes to prepare for space travel is controversial, but it's gaining traction. Bioethicists and scientists are debating the implications. Could we create superhumans designed for space? Or should we focus on other methods of protection? As we push the boundaries of space exploration, ensuring the safety of astronauts is paramount. Genetic testing and gene editing could be part of the solution. The future of space travel might just depend on it. So as we look to the stars, let's also look within, at the very building blocks of life. Because the key to conquering space might lie within our genes.